here in the Ozarks, we're looking at rain now.
Yes, I think they need some rain out there to help with the wildfire situation.
Absolutely.
And really, we've been pretty dry here the last few weeks. We've had some scattered pop-up stuff, but not a whole lot of rain. But we're finally starting to see a little bit of a break in that pattern. In fact, there's some decent rainfall that's fallen this afternoon and is still falling as we speak. Taking a look at our first alert radar, you can see that most of this is pretty much positioned down along the Missouri-Arkansas border at this hour. However, just a little bit ago, if you were up in the area just south of Ava, there around Swan and Theodosia, you guys saw a pretty decent amount of rainfall. In fact, that flash flood warning remains in effect for just a little bit longer. Pretty decent amount of rainfall that fell. Down at the Branson Landing right now, you can see it's still wet down there. 73 on the landing. Feels like it's 73. Winds out of the east at 9 miles per hour. What has set all this up is a frontal boundary that's been pushing southeast through the viewing area over the last few hours. And you can see most of that is centered around that. It will dissipate as we head into the evening, though, and most everybody will dry up for the overnight hours. There's a little bit wider perspective of that. You can see it's pretty dry up to the north of that. Looking at temperatures around the region right now, definitely much cooler to the south of the border there. You can see 72 in Branson, 78 in Little Rock, 74 in West Plains, and much warmer as we go back up towards the northwest. That rainfall made a huge impact on the temperatures. Here's an even better look at that. 73 in Mountain Home, 72 in Harrison, 74 in Ava, and then just look at that gradient as you push to the northwest. In the 70s here, in the lower 90s up around Warsaw. So quite a change in temperatures. Dew points still very relatively high for the area. This is going to continue for a few days and will make it pretty muggy for most in the Ozarks. Right now at Fox 5, we're at 79 degrees. It feels like it's 82 with southerly winds at 6 miles per hour. So temperatures going throughout the night will slowly dip down into the lower 70s and maybe even some upper 60s for some. So a rather cool night, most of that because of the cloud cover and the rainfall that we've seen in the last few hours. As we go throughout the day tomorrow, temperatures are going to rebound pretty nicely back up into the low 90s for many. However, there's still more chances of rain in the forecast. Taking a look at storm track, as we zoom out a little bit, you can see, like I said, things kind of dry out for the night. But then as we head back over into tomorrow afternoon, some more of that scattered stuff may form most again to the south of the viewing area. And then as we head over into the later afternoon hours and into the early evening, you'll start seeing another frontal boundary approaching, and that frontal boundary is also going to bring another chance for some more scattered showers and thunderstorms that may last well over into Wednesday morning. So the cloud cover and the rainfall could also impact temperatures greatly over the next couple of days, depending on where you're at. 73 for tonight. We're going to see partly cloudy skies, and the winds will be calming. They'll be out of the northwest at 6 miles per hour. And your planner for tomorrow, you'll wake up to about 77. By lunchtime, we'll see about 87, and then 92 by tomorrow afternoon. Again, that's when you start seeing that chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms working their way back in to the area. And then taking a look at the 7-day forecast, you can see that's pretty much the chance for the next couple of days. There's a chance of rain and showers in the afternoons for both days due to those frontal boundaries approaching. A nice cool day on Wednesday, actually, with highs only getting into the upper 80s, but then quickly it warms right back up as we head over into the weekend. Now, there is some models saying that we may see a break in temperatures over the weekend, so we'll keep an eye on that. It's still going to be pretty hot, though, from what you see there on the 7 days.
Let's hope for that break in temperatures model to be correct.
We can hope that the model's correct.
Absolutely. Thanks, Will.
Thank you, Will.